Permaculture is a way of growing food that takes care of the earth. It's about working with nature, not against it. Imagine a farm that looks more like a forest than a field. This is the essence of permaculture. Traditional farming can harm the environment. It uses lots of chemicals and disrupts natural cycles. Permaculture offers a different path. It helps us grow food while making the environment healthier. Permaculture farms are designed to be sustainable. This means they can last for a very long time. They use less water and energy than conventional farms. Plus, they produce healthier food for us to enjoy. Permaculture follows some key principles. These principles help us design farms that work in harmony with nature. One principle is to observe and interact with nature. Another principle is to catch and store energy like rainwater or sunlight. Permaculture also emphasizes using natural resources wisely. We can use things like compost to enrich the soil. Permaculture encourages us to create closed-loop systems. This means that waste is minimized and resources are recycled. For example, food scraps can be composted to create fertilizer for the garden. Permaculture farms are like nature's ecosystems. They have a wide variety of plants and animals living together. This diversity is one of the things that makes permaculture so resilient. In a forest, different plants occupy different layers. Permaculture farms mimic this by growing a mix of tall trees, smaller shrubs, and ground-covering plants. This creates a thriving ecosystem where plants support each other. Animals also play an important role in permaculture. Chickens can help control pests and fertilize the soil. Bees pollinate the plants, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Permaculture offers a hopeful vision for the future of farming. It provides a way to grow food sustainably while protecting our planet. By adopting permaculture practices, we can create a world where food is abundant and nature thrives. Many successful permaculture farms around the world serve as inspiring examples. They demonstrate that it's possible to grow food in a way that benefits both people and the environment. As we face challenges like climate change and food insecurity, permaculture offers practical solutions. It empowers us to become better stewards of the earth while creating a more just and sustainable food system for all.